Good evening, everyone. Welcome. Happy Independence Day. I'm waiting for people to come in. Welcome. Today I will be showing you exclusive 15 latest designs from Iconic Fashion House. One of them I'm wearing right now. Hi Danny. Thank you for sparing time. So we'll be starting soon. So I have around 15 exclusive designs wherein it is mostly inspired by floral and mostly nature inspired also. So I'm just waiting for people to pour in so we can start the session. Hi Kakul. Good evening Tripathi. Okay, so today we have more of cocktail wear wherein it is with the composition of brass based and enamel paint, plus the base is only brass, there is no other metal. So this is the first piece. This is inspired by a floral with a small bud, the flower. So I'll give a closer look for the same. See, this is how it looks. Please let me know if the visibility is fine. So this is the first piece. Next I have is this very adorable and very different piece. This is having enamel on the center plus a bee, if it is visible to you. Yes. And these are medium weight, not very heavy weight also. And behind it looks like this. Hi Gurpreet. So this is how it looks. Okay, fine. Now is it visible? So this is the next piece. These are exclusively made for your Western attire, and the color combination is something which you can wear with any of the garments, be it of any colors, pastel or be it of a bright. That's why I'm wearing today a satin shirt to give you the feel of the party, how it's going to look if you're wearing any satin dresses also. It's not going to look too blingy because satin is the only one where we find sometime it has been too much with it. So this is the next piece. It is having a bug and then string of pearl. So this is all coating is done by enamel. So I'll just show you how it looks. It is very lightweight and very easy to put on also. If you're in your office and then when you're coming back and you want to go out with your friends, you don't have to carry a big bag for jewelry. These lightweights will give the justice. So this is how it is. And if you don't want to make it look too funky, you can wear it the other way around also. It's just the way you experiment with things. Hi Poshika. Hi Shahjan. How are you? Welcome virtually to India. Hi Chetan. So the next piece is this. It is Galaxy of Stars. These are again very lightweight Friday parties. So now it is visible. It's having stars and very easy, as I mentioned. This is how it looks. Even with Indian attire also and Western party wear. Good evening, Mrs. Belwal. So next one is, this is the piece which we have tried for the first time. It is having branches with leaves. So this is again a very lightweight. This goes with your Indo-Western wear, Western wear. This is how it looks. And if you find the gap being too much, it can be reduced also, according to your choice. And it's a very elegant piece, very lightweight. It is moving so well in all the shops wherever we have tried keeping. People are finding these type of styles more nice nowadays. Even for the upcoming Raksha Bandhan, you can plan for your sister. So this I am showing you directly by wearing, because this is something which you will understand once I wear it. It is having 3 shades of pastel. It can go with any of the looks. As I mentioned you, this collection is mainly for any colors, any party, any festive wear. Good evening, Mrs. Rohit. How are you? So good to see you. Again, it is brass based, and see, this is how it looks. It is having enamel paint and then small golden balls inside, and behind it is the same clean. You will not have any issues while wearing it. Rust free, anti tarnish, you name it, and it's available in this. Next one in the same category, we have this. It is again with pearl and a small rose bud. And it is very easy to wear, even you can wear it to your office. And if you want to only wear the stud also, that's also possible. Then this is separate, you just have to put it inside. If you're finding it too much for the office, you can just wear the stud also, not a problem. So this is how it is. See, you can even wear it the other way around, or you can keep it like this. That's how the creativity doesn't have limits. So that's how it looks, like this. And these all products are in the price range starting from 200, and the maximum would go up to 560 only. This including shipment. This is the next piece. It's a spiral. That's how it looks. Again, a very lightweight piece. Just slipping it inside won't take much of your time. This is how it looks. Trendy, at the same time very in. And just pack it and you can take it to your office, no problem. The next one, again I am showing you in a golden touch. These are wings, half wings of a butterfly with the detailing. And the best part is, if you keep your hair open also, it's going to be visible, even tied up also, because in parties these are something which will blink from far also. So this is how it looks. See, I hope you are able to understand the weight. And behind, the finishing is same. And we are available pan India, from wherever you want to gift to your somebody special or for any festives. It's all available. Just WhatsApp me. I will also share my WhatsApp details here. So it is 9901819 I'm pinning that also. Plus you can visit the website, but these products right now it is not available because this is the new lot. And now the next I'm typing the website www.theiconicfashionhouse.com. Yes. So anything required, you can WhatsApp me, or you can even see it on the website. So this is the next one. This is again a brass based with a pearl and enamel finished. These are available in 3 colors. We have already posted the same for the Instagram and Facebook. It is having the pearl ones, and then baby pink, green, black. Welcome Nimra. Thank you Kakul. It feels really good that you're liking the collection. Thank you so much for sparing the time also. Welcome Vartika. So this is another one. See, if you are finding too long also, it can be customized and make it to this length, not a problem. Even to this length, anything can be customized. And if you are looking for something exclusive designs, that can also be incorporated, just that the quantity has to be more for us to work on it. So this is the next piece, and in the same design, I mean the enamel paint, we have incorporated another design which is also available in other colors. So Kakul, this floral one is for, this is for 290. This one is for 290, even this is for 290. So this is the one with a detailing of brass. And why is it different? Because when you are touching it or when you are wearing it, it is a 3D feel. So I'll just try and wear this also. And as everything is being made in Bangalore, see this. It gives you a velvet finish and it looks so classy when you're wearing it. Even a high bun, how I'm doing it, or even a half bun, because an open hair would be something which will actually not be visible. The earrings won't be visible. So then you can opt for something like this. But black, high bun or half bun will look really nice. Thank you Kakul. Welcome Himanshu. Welcome Meenu. So this is how it looks. Any product which you are liking, you can please ping me or you can WhatsApp me. This is another very favorite piece that is moving a lot in the new collection. So this is all glass stone, and these are medium weight. It's not lightweight, it's medium. And again in this we have given 3 colors, how we had given in the other stud one. This one also we had given 3 colors for you to have a flexibility of wearing with n number of garments. And even this one, it gives a very rich and elegant look, and you can see the spark. So it's actually matching with my top. And the best part about this earring is, if you're wearing any color, it dominates on the same earrings. Suppose this is actually a lighter pink, but because I'm wearing a mahogany color, it is actually matching with it. So this is the next piece. And then next we have these beautiful studs. We have it in green color also, and I'll give you a close-up look. This is having a stone texture with the pearl. Again, these are very nice for your festive season coming up. So see, it's not heavy, it is a medium weight, available in green color. And This is available for 430. This is how it is. It's actually red, but right now it's matching with my top also. And now I'm showing you the last piece. This is again a piece which is been redesigned for this collection. It is having parrots. This collection we had last season also. It's too warm here, so it's becoming little odd right now. So see this. This stone, we have different colors, green, black, yellow, or if you want it can be customized, that's not a problem. Hi Ali. I am so happy that you are here. Thank you for your time, Ali. God bless you, beta. So this is the other piece, the last one. So now we have come to the end of the live. I hope you have liked the curated pieces that I had actually kept for this live. Hope to see your messages for me to improve the collection and for us to work more harder and be there for the next live, and hope to see you all soon. And it's an extended weekend, so wishing you a happy family time, enjoy your days ahead, and happy Independence Day. Stay blessed. Thank you.